Okay, it is December 17th, 2019. It's Under the Wings 71, a memorial portrait to 10-year-old Romani child Satella, also known as Stella Steinbeck, is done, getting garbled up looking at these sea monsters. So 2/3 of the drawing is done. The portrait in the center. We've got a aquatic lizard here. And we have a sea monster on the right there. And what's going to go in on the left is currently in the depths of my subconscious. So something will come to visualization, as Sir Herbert Reed would describe it, the magic of art making. And then I will do that, and this will be done. All right, to be continued. We just have a touch of white pencil and red ink. White pencil there, and red ink brushed in the mouth of the sea monster there. All the rest is black, like India type ink. All right, to be continued. Thanks for watching.